Ciao, it's Chef Giuseppe with Meals for Longevity, and I just finished to serve lunch. It's a Thursday. Usually on Thursday, I serve a sandwich, and today we have cooked an American sandwich that's an hamburger, 100 grams of lean ground beef, 90-10, and I served it with a coleslaw salad. My name is Giuseppe Urbano, I'm an executive chef, and we are in Florida. So I'm testing the new modern Mediterranean diet with American people. But let's go and check together and see how the test went and see if they ate everything. All right, it's a nice day in Florida. We're facing the coast. We're very lucky. We have a nice location. We're again inspired to write all these recipes for the new modern Mediterranean diet, and that's where we test. So let's see what's going on. It looks like everything went well. So I served the hamburger patty over here with the hamburger bun and some vegetables to put between the buns. That was onions, tomatoes, and lettuce. I served them a tea and a lemonade, and I served some fresh fruit. Everything is gone. Just here and there, a few things. So I would say that the test went well, and this is an example of the recipes that you find on mealsforlongevity.com. My name is Chef Giuseppe Urbano, and what I do, I changed the classic Mediterranean diet to an upgrade, a fine dining experience where you eat good food that you might eat every day, your hamburgers, your coleslaw, your French, your Italian cuisine, your Mexican, all the international cuisine. And while you're eating good food, you're also performing the guidelines indicated by the Mediterranean diet. So go and check my website. You can download the recipes for $1. And down the road also, we are going to release a DIY meal planner where you can put all these recipes together. So at the end of the week, you're gonna exactly eat what the Mediterranean diet suggestions, a guideline that tell you to do. In the meantime, add time, eating well. Follow me on YouTube, subscribe. Also go on the website to subscribe to our newsletter so I can let you know when I release new recipes. Let me show you where we are. It's a beautiful place on the water. Today is a beautiful day, along with a beautiful lunch. All right. See you soon.